Alright, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a few of the adapters for the riser cards. So I also have some PCIe adapter clips. They help hold these straight. If you know a lot about mining, if you start having issues with a card, play around with the wires, because you have this connection where it's plugged into the motherboard that you have play in. You have play in both USB connections, then you have play on the bottom of the card. So there's a lot of room for errors. These PCIe clips actually help take out a little bit of the error, at least on this end. So you just kind of hold them in straight and you clip them right in, and then you don't have hardly any play on these at all. So I'm going to actually lock a few of those in, and I'll probably start with like 5 cards, so I'll just throw in 5 of these real quick. So I have another one of these running downstairs, so I kind of know how I'm going to lay this out right now. I have a little, like, depending on what cards you have for these B250 mining experts, will depend on, like, how it runs or how you lay them out. So I've played around a little bit with what I have. What is that, 6? We'll stop. I'll throw one more in. Start out with 7 cards. Alright, and I'll just make sure they're all clipped in. That'll look pretty good. Perfect. Alright, on to the next.